I'm going to show you a very interesting option of Adobe Express. This is bulk create or batch creation and allows you to create custom designs from an Express page in addition to a CSV datasheet. Finally, we can get with a simple click all the pages related to the lines or records of Excel. I'll show you how. Within the Pages option, we find the Bulk Create option. By clicking Add, we add our CSV file. Here you can see the performance. It automatically goes into edit mode, and here what we do is assign a text within the page of our Adobe Express template to the different columns within the CSV file. And so, progressively, we add each of the lines of the content of the page to each of the products, dates, countries, or whatever is appropriate within the Excel sheet. Then, through the Preview option, we can see how it works. It has generated as many pages as there are lines of the CSV file I had. After giving the last validation, we can finally create the physical Adobe Express pages that, as you know, reside in the cloud and that allow us to re-edit or edit the content. Now we could extend the session, for example, by changing each of the background images to the article we are referring to. And that's how easy it is to use this tool, Adobe Express and Bulk Create.